another video, and today's video, another Minecraft series that I am literally going to start, and we're back sa episode 2, and for now, we will be doing to cut some trees and plant kasi lang yung pwede nating gawin since wala tayong masyado stuff. Okay, so, and also, napaka-konti lang ng mga puno dito. Kailangan pa natin mag-explore. And I really love that part dyan kasi I've been looking around. Ayun, next time I will be meeting or going to play with some friends, and hopefully mas lumaki pa tong or mas humaba, mas tumagal pa to yung natin, survival series natin. And this is not also a hardcore mode kasi I'm not really good at this game. Doon tayo maghahanap ng puno kasi dito ba yun? Kasi I think mukhang marami naman ang mga puno doon. I never done this, yung survival series ng matagal, and it's just so weird. Dito tayo mag-cut ng puno. Ayoko nito kasi masyadong malaki. Kailangan umakyat pa tayo at maubos natin. Cut some trees! Namiss ko talaga yung word na yun. Ang ganda! Pwede kaya tayo magtanim nito doon? Try na natin. Kuha tayo ng sapling nito, tapos tingnan natin kung pwedeng taniman. Ano kaya purpose ng bees dito? Kung sana merong honey, pwede natin siyang kainin. Next time na natin explore to, basta at least meron na tayong saplings para doon na lang tayo magtanim kasi para mas mabilis. Let's go downstairs. Actually, it's not a stair, but let's go down. Wala, magdidilim na agad. Ang bilis naman. Carrots and potatoes. We really need that. Siguro dito tayo magtatanim for now. And also, to my new viewers out there, hello, kamusta kayo? Anong ginagawa nyo? Sana masaya kayo sa buhay nyo today. And I really do hope that you guys are still watching up until now. Nakakapag-upload na rin ako ng video sa YouTube. Finally, it's been like 2 years, or I don't know. It's been a year. Napakatagal ko nang hindi nag-upload, and every time na nag-upload ako, bigla na lang ako nawawala. It's just fun to say and to do. I'm just happy right now kasi I'm just doing what I really love to do. I think that's it. Ayan lang yung pwede ko yung itanim, and maghihintay tayo for another, I don't know, Minecraft hours. And I guess we really need to mine. Let's put all the stuff that we don't really need, and let's get out of here. Okay? I think I'm set. Ay, muntik na. Ay, galing na pala tayo dito. Nakalimutan ko. Nakatakot. Galing na pala tayo dito. Pero, okay. I just forgot about this. Kasi, ang tagal ko na rin hindi nakalaro. It's just funny when, I was like, playing sa server and doing an iron farm. And, nagkakaroon ng raid. Kasi I was just looking for, what do you call the person? Ano ang tawag sa... Yung villager. Yun. Halatang hindi na... Ay, kala ko zombie creeper pala. Don't come near me. I don't have any arrow and bow. So, can you stop? Never mind. Bigla na lang nagkakaroon ng raid. Simula nung gumawa ako ng iron farm, and padami yung dahil padami yung villager ko. Dinamihan ko talaga yung mga villagers. Bakit kaya yung Minecraft ngayon nakakatakot na? Hindi naman siya ganito nakakatakot dati. You guys are so scary! Ah! No! Don't aim me! Don't aim me! No! Mama! Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. Don't come near me. You are so scary. You are so scary. Where is the creeper? Where is the creeper? No, 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 no. Stop. Stop it! Okay, that was scary. Kukunin ko muna yung iron. Kasi mas importante yun. Pero, ubos na agad yung sa iron. Ay, yung ano ko, axe ko. Minecraft is scary now. I don't know why. Blow up! Blow up! Blow up! Blow up! Ow! There's too much zombies! Ayoko na! Mama! No! Wala nang blocks. Sige. Sige, lapit. Wait lang. Kailangan natin kumain. This is my defense mechanism. Again, let's go back. Iron lang gusto ko. Bakit di ako makakuha ng iron? Another zombie? Are you kidding me? My job today is just to get that iron and another iron. I saw another iron here. Where is it? I saw another iron here. And yeah, I saw a skeleton. Where is it? Pero at least ang dami namang iron. Can I just get the iron for a little bit, please? Just for 2 iron. Creeper ba yun? Run. Run, run, run! Ow! Ow! I told you Minecraft is scary. I can hear things that I don't really want to hear it. Let's make 2 axes instead. Is it necessary to look for dogs and cats just for fun purposes? Is there any pros and cons if I get dogs and cats? Comment down below if you guys like have anything to say about getting a dog or a cat or an animal or any kind of animal just for, you know, protection. I don't know if is it okay to use dogs and cats just to scare creepers or defend me if someone will going to kill me like that. I'm not expecting that Minecraft is getting creepy. Well, tignan na natin ang kinalabasan ng ating farm, mini farm. Wala pang tumutubo. It's a chaotic episode. I really do hope that you enjoyed this episode. Thank you guys for watching. I really do hope that you guys loved the video, this episode, and if you want any suggestions, just comment if you want me to play another gameplay. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.